Welcome to ZTCC as Advanced Smart Manufacturing Base. Our standardized tank farm ensures safety and quality from the source. Backed by strong R&D, our precision distillation line produces 40,000 tons of emulsifiers and 50,000 tons of oils annually, ensuring a reliable, integrated supply chain. Smart DCS Control and strict cleanroom standards ensure top food safety. Our finishing section is equipped with original PATTYN fully automated packaging machinery from Belgium, utilizing top-tier international sealing technology for hygienic and efficient operation with high-volume continuous output and digital control. We consistently deliver premium food, emulsifiers, and oils worldwide. ZTCC, your trusted global food ingredient partner. Contact us today.